Actually, I represent the 4F, pinakatahimik. Pero mahal namin kayo. We would like to thank everybody. Kasi wala naman talaga sa section yan. Diba? Ang batch na, magkakisa lang. So, I prepared this, actually a 7 for May I Call On. This reunion will not be all possible because kung wala itong mga taong to. So may I call on another round of calling for the talagang accolade for our Governor Bong. May we call you dito.
Go ahead, please.
And also, individual just like Eden, sinabi niya, Dayan, Mama Dayan, Ma'am Ami, sino pa ba? Angie, Crispin, pinakamasipag na talagang pag-drive para sa kanilang lahat. Architect, si Roger, aking kumpare. Roger, and nakita ka, Crispin. Sino pa bang, nakalimutan ko? Senior moment? Meron pa ba? Si
Luisa.
Daisy, Heroka, wherever you are, we love you. Thank you so much. But of course, we would like to also give acknowledgement to Luisa, to our coordinator in America, in United States of America, Eden, and join us here.
Eden.
And of course, yung kumare ko, tatawagin ko. Kahit wala siya sa physical presence, but ang spirit niya dito, Vivian, can you come over? So, palakpakan naman natin lahat ng mga talagang sobrang naghirap. Walang bayad, no? Walang acknowledgement, but of course, now we deserve this acknowledgement coming from all of us. So, here, in behalf of the 4F, palakpakan naman natin mga classmates ko dyan. We cannot give you anything in monetary, but of course, we would like to give you this song because this song reminds me of my high school days, okay? So every lyric na mababasa niyo siya, talagang it paints my life. And let me have this opportunity to give thanks to everybody. Because alam niyo, ang buhay ng isang PWD na nag-aaral, hindi po madali. Pero dahil si Maribig, andyan siya, in-approach niya ako, sabi niya, alam mo Mama Sel, nung fire drill na naiiwan ka mag-isa, alam niyo ba yun? Everybody was out of the campus, but I stayed inside with all over talagang darkness, na hindi niyo alam na naiiwan ako doon. Yun yung pinakamasakit na pangyayari sa buhay ko, pero I turned everything into positive. You know why? Lumakas ang loob ko. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Palakpakan niyo ang mga sarili niyo dahil naging part kayo ng buhay ko. At you had my back when I had received the most outstanding alumni. Hindi ko po akalain yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Palakpakan natin. Ito po hindi po para sa akin eh. Para po sa inyo at kasama ko kayo dito sa laban na yun. Kaya maraming salamat. And also this song is for you. Dito sabi lang, share ko lang, no? Mabilis lang. Ang tatay ko noon, mahal na mahal niya ang St. Joseph. Sabi niya sa every reunion, you should be there. You know why? Because the next year, hindi niyo alam kung magkakasama pa kayo. Kung nasan na yung mga kaklase mo, kung sila ay buhay pa ba. Kaya nga kanina naglolo ko ako eh. Kaya siguro masasama ang loob, di ba, na napaupo tayo, natigil. Sabi ko, kailangan natin tumigil kasi baka mamaya igamot na natin dahil hindi na natin kaya. Dito rin sa reunion na to, padamihan na ng mga sino na naka-maintenance dito, taas ng kamay. So lahat. So make it a point next year, di ba no? Gov, we would like to ask your presence. Next year, every year we need you to attend. Wala tong walang mayaman, walang mahirap, walang kulay. Diba? Ako, happy ako kasi bata pa lang ako, na-experience ko ng maging PWD. Tapos yung ating classmate na dalawa, may nagda-dialysis at meron na na-stroke. So, let's pray for each other na lahat makayanan natin. Nandito ba tayo sa next at more leaders para support kay Governor at saka sa lahat ng mga kasama niya na mag-prepare nito. Kaya palakpakan natin sila. So, to cut the story short, I'd like to sing this song, everybody. Yan, naka